Welcome to the Stone Canyon Community Foundation Applicant Tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with the Common Grant Application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for a grant. Currently, you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon, or going to the Stone Canyon Community Foundation website and clicking on their link. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site to receive and manage grants, so find the Stone Canyon Community Foundation and click on Select Program next to their name. They have one program or application, so just click on Start Draft App next to the grant application. You're now in the draft application. You can see on the left-hand side there are tabs. These are the different pages you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently, you're on the introduction page. Please scroll down and read all of it, and when you're ready to move to the next page, you can click the arrow on the right to move forward, the arrow on the left to move backward, or you can jump ahead by clicking on the tabs on the left-hand side. Anytime you enter any information on a page and you use the arrows to move ahead or the tabs, your information will automatically be saved. But if you're going to be on one page for an extended period of time, entering a lot of information, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. Some fields have a red asterisk. If they have a red asterisk, they are required. You cannot submit this application until filling out all the required fields or uploading all the required documents. If there's no red asterisk, it is optional. So this is the organization contact page. Then you move to Past Grantee page. You only need to fill this out if you received a grant in 2017. The next page is organization information. Some fields on this page are text fields. So for example, this question, what is the purpose of your organization and who does it serve, allows 1,000 characters. As you type, you can see the character count goes down, letting you know how many characters you have left. Spaces are included as characters. Some browsers allow you to extend these boxes and make them bigger. You can also write your answers in other programs such as Microsoft Word and cut and paste. Then you move to the Grant Purpose page. Then the Documents page. This is where you can upload documents. There is one document required, the financial statement. There's some information about what they're looking for listed above. And then there's optional links. Here you have 3 different uploads. You can upload materials such as brochures, pictures. You can also link to other websites such as YouTube. So for example, if you click on Upload, you can browse your computer for the file, or you can enter a URL here. So if you're going to type YouTube, you could type it here, but you would enter the full link to your video, and then click Save. The link will then be uploaded here in your application. The last page is just other comments. And then you get to the Check Application page. I have a big red Not Ready for Submission. Clearly, I did not fill out all the required fields or upload all the required documents. There's a reason table below. For example, on the Organization Contact page, the organization name field is empty. So I need to go back to that page and correct that. So I can click here or click here on the left-hand side and go back. Once all my required fields are filled out and all the required documents are uploaded, and I come to the Check Application page, it'll be a green Ready for Submission. Also, I will see a green Submit Application icon over here on the left-hand side no matter what page I'm on when my application is ready. I can click the arrow to the right and click Submit and submit my application. You will receive an application number on the screen. You will also receive an email confirmation. As well, you can find a copy of your application on your dashboard under the Grants tab. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. It doesn't matter what page you're on, every page has a pause button. If you click pause, you can pause out of the application. You can log out in the upper right hand corner. When you log back in, you'll see you have a resume draft application and an exit draft application. If you click resume draft application, you go back in right to the page that you left off. If you click Exit Draft Application, you don't lose any work that you've entered. You've just exited out of the draft. If you did that by accident, just click on Start Draft App, select Stone Canyon Community Foundation, and go back into the application. When I mentioned earlier that you'd find a copy of your submitted application under your Grants tab, you can find that here at the top. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.